So this is the bag that we are going to be making. This is a tote bag. You are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So this is the main piece. It's 17 by 13. We need 2 pieces. 17 by 13. We need 2 pieces. That is the main body. It's very easy to make. Then the pocket is 11 by 8. Top pocket, we are going to put top pocket. We are using a pieces of Ankara to put our top pocket. Then this is the handle. This is the handle. It's 22 by 4 inches. 2 pieces. So we are going to fold it in 22 by 4 inches. So we need 2 pieces of it. Then now it is time to sew. You are going to notch it. Make sure you notch it and fold it in like this. See the way I'm folding it. You fold it into 2, then you bring it together, then you sew it down. So that is what I'm doing right now. So you sew it down. So if you are new to this channel, you are welcome to this channel. This channel is all about bag making, and if this is what you like, if this is the content you are interested in, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video, and please make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure, if you don't watch to the end, at least watch to half of it. It's just 7 minutes video. So I'm done sewing it. Can you see the way I sew the handle? I'm done sewing it. Can you see? So that is how you sew it. So now it is time to work on the pocket. So I cut a small piece. I want to attach it to the pocket to give it stabilizer, to stabilize it. So you may decide not to use it. So I just sew it right side facing right side, then I turn it out. It's just to stabilize it. You can just decide to fold it in, just fold the edge in, but I decide to use this stabilizer to stabilize it. It's not a must that you must use it. So that is what I'm doing. So after turning it out, I'm trying to press stitch it. So I press stitch it down with the stabilizer. So that is what I'm doing right now. So please like this video, support me by subscribing. When you subscribe, you are supporting me. When you like, and make sure you watch to the end. So now I'm notch the center of the pocket and notch the center of the main piece. Can you see it? Notch the center of the main piece. Then you now bring the notches together. You sew together. So you see it now. So you put it together, then you sew it. Just sew it the same way I'm sewing it. So if you can't watch this video to the end, but please make sure you watch to the half of the video. In that way, you'll be helping me. You'll be helping YouTube to push the video. If you don't watch it, YouTube will think that the video is not good enough. If you just watch 1 minute, it will not be okay. So we are done sewing the pocket. So now it is time to fold in the top before we fix the handle. So you just fold it a little, not up to 1/2 inch. Fold the edge in. I'm using a jeans material. You can use any material of your choice. You can use canvas. You can even use Ankara. So tote bag is something that is very easy to make. You can start making it and selling it to students. So after stitching it like this, so now it is time to fix in the handle now. So I will fold in 1 inch. Yes, that is what I fold in, 1 inch. I will take in 1 inch. Then I will sew. I'll measure 4 inches. I'm measuring 4 inches from the top, from the side I mean. Then I will put in my handle inside like that. Then from the other side, I measure 4 inch. So I put in my handle, then I stitch it down. So that is what I am doing. So I'll do it to the second one. I'm done with the 2. So the next thing to do is to now take the handle backward, take it backward like this, and then stitch on it to hold it down. You top stitch on it that way. So you do the same thing to the second one. So please watch this video to the end, or watch half of it. In that way you are supporting and you are promoting this video. Don't watch 1 minute and click off. You will not give good impression to YouTube to promote the video. So now I'm stitching it outside. You know that this tote bag is without lining. The outside must be neat and the inside must be neat. So first thing, after you have fixed the handle, you will now stitch it outside first. You see the way I'm doing is stitch it outside, don't first stitch it inside. After you have stitched it outside, then you will now turn it out. So that is what I'm about to do. I've stitched it outside, then I will turn the inside out. I will now stitch it inside to hide the first stitch. Can you see it? I'm turning it now. Because it's without line, the edge, it must not be seen. It must not have a rough edge since there is no lining. So you look at it. So I am stitching it now. I will now stitch it inside to hide my first stitch outside, so that both the outside and the inside can be very, very neat. So that is what I am doing right now. Can you see? So if you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. I'm very grateful. God bless you. Please like this video. If you have not yet liked, I want you to press the notification, the like button, and also the notification button if you have not yet on the notification bell. So we are done sewing. It's so easy to make. Can you see how beautiful it is? So now you just turn it out. We are done sewing it. It's so beautiful. This is the final outlook. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I'm so grateful to all my returning subscribers. God bless you. Thank you very much. And please give this video a like and a thumbs up. Share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.